Welcome back, children, to lesson number 6, integers. Children, already we have completed 5 questions of 6.1. Today we will start with question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Children, pair of numbers are given, pair of integers are given, and you have to identify where these numbers lie on number line, on the right side or on the left side of the origin. Now the first one is 2 and 9. Children, here both are positive numbers, that means they lies to right of origin, and 9 is right to 2. Now second one is minus 3 and minus 8. Both these integers lies to the left of origin, and minus 3 is right to minus 8. Then next one is 0 and minus 1. So 0 is right to minus 1. Fourth one, minus 11 and minus 10. In this case, 10 lies to the right of origin and minus 11 lies to the left of origin. So 10 is right to minus 11. Next is minus 6 and 6. Here again minus 6 is left to origin and 6 is right to origin. So here 6 is right to minus 6. Then last one is 1 and minus 100. So here children, minus 100 lies to left of origin and 1 lies to right of origin. Hence 1 is right to minus 100. Now the next question is question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. Okay children, so here what you have to do? You have to write the between integers of the given pairs. So here the first one is 0 and minus 7. And children, in which order we have to write? Yes, in increasing order. So in increasing order between 0 and minus 7, the integers are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Okay. Now the next one is minus 4 and 4. So here the between integers in increasing order of minus 4 and 4 are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then next one is minus 8 and minus 15. So now the integers in increasing order between minus 8 and minus 15 are minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. Now the last one is minus 30 and minus 23. So the integers between these two numbers, that is minus 30 and minus 23, in increasing order are minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24. Children, integers between the pairs you can find easily with the help of number line. Now the next question is question number 8. In question number 8, first part of the question is write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20, and second part is write 4 integers less than minus 10. So children, here we have to find out 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Okay. So minus 20 means as we go left to the number line, the number becomes lesser. So we have to find out negative integers greater than minus 20. So the negative integers, 4 negative integers which are greater than minus 20 are minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. Second part of the question is write 4 integers less than minus 10. So the 4 integers less than minus 10 are minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. These are the 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Now the next question is question number 9. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Okay children, so here 4 statements are given and you have to find out that whether they are true or false, and if the statement is false, you have to correct the false statement. So the first statement is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Yes children, this statement is true. You can see the number line. You will see that minus 10 is left to minus 8. Okay, so that means minus 8 is right of minus 10 on the number line. Now the next one is minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. Children, this statement is a false statement. Okay, and we have to correct this statement. So what is the correct statement for this statement? Yes, minus 100 is to the left of minus 50 on number line. Now the next one is smallest negative integer is minus 1. This statement is also false. Why? Because greatest negative integer is minus 1. Last statement is minus 26 is larger than minus 25. This statement is again false statement because minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. Children, we have already learned that as we go left to the number line, the numbers become lesser. And what happens here? That minus 25 is right of minus 26 and minus 26 is left of minus 25. So minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. Now the last question is question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Children, according to the statements given, you have to draw a number line and then you have to answer the questions which are given. The first one is, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Children, you can see this number line. If we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, we will reach 2. Okay, we will reach plus 2 if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Now the next one is, which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Okay children, so it is positive 1. So what we will do, we will draw a number line and we will see that if we are moving 5 numbers to the left of 1, where we will reach. You can see in this that if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1, we will reach at minus 4. Now the next one is, if we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? Okay children, so see on the number line that we are on minus 8 and we have to reach minus 13. So in which direction we will move? Yes, we will move towards left direction and we will reach from minus 8 to minus 13. Now last question of this exercise, if we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? So children, you can see on the number line that we are on minus 6 and we have to reach to minus 1. So which direction we will move? Yes, we will move in right direction to move from minus 6 to minus 1. Children, this was for all today. Write all these questions in your maths notebook and we will meet with a new concept in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.